wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 9 best mobile whiteboards. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 9. Carpeted floors and rolling whiteboards usually don't make a good pair, but the smooth-moving casters on the induxpert giant won't leave trails all over your rug. Unfortunately, you'll have to erase your markings aggressively to prevent ghost drawings. It comes with a thick and durable surface at a nice medium height, but that surface can ripple. At number 8, an accessory shelf that spans the entire length of the Luxor MB7240WW will let you keep all of your favorite dry erase markers in one place and mean you never have to search far for the perfect color to make your important point. It has a clean and professional look and is perfect for conferences. However, the board bends easily. Coming in at number 7 on our list, since the actual whiteboard portion of the stand-up desk store extends almost down to the floor, it can serve as a room divider as well as a creative surface. If you play classroom games in which you need to separate 2 groups, this will come in handy. It's a great length for anatomy lessons and sports an elegant chrome frame, but it doesn't have an accessory tray. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for mobile whiteboards, or simply click beneath this video. At number 6, teachers who deal with rowdy children who love to play rough with classroom equipment will benefit from the steel frame of the viz-pro magnetic. The angle adjusting handles release quickly and lock back into place just as rapidly. This one can survive outdoor use and is easy to put together. However, only 2 of the wheels lock. Moving up our list to number 5. The xboard double-sided has a very useful accessory tray. Not only is it curved, ensuring your markers don't roll away, but it also can slide from side to side, so you can keep it near whichever end you're writing on for convenience. This one cleans off easily and fully, and is equipped with strong ABS corner bumpers, but the handles are flimsy. At number 4, tutors or parents launching a homeschool will love the Dapper display. With 12 magnetic buttons, 4 markers, a ruler and a dry eraser included, it's like an on-the-go starter classroom. It'll help you feel on top of your teaching game. Markings erase easily and it has a stain-resistant surface. It can also be mounted on a wall. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Do you go for that wow factor in your presentations? The Superior Essentials Easy Flip will help you achieve it. By simply pushing a button at the base of the board, you can rapidly turn it over, revealing the contents on the other side. It features an anti-rust coating and includes all the assembly hardware, plus it doesn't wobble when you write on it. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for mobile whiteboards, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, if you just need an affordable and portable surface to display some concepts, the viz-pro Eco will be just right. It boasts a steel pad clamp for hanging sheets of paper and a magnetic surface, giving you several ways to present your information. The wheels have locking brakes and both sides are dry erase friendly too. It takes up little floor space. And taking the top spot on our list, professors and presenters who need to move their display surfaces around will appreciate the durable best-rite Platinum. It features an anodized aluminum frame, as well as bumpers on the wheels to protect walls and furniture. It locks into place at any angle and is equipped with a wide and stable base and a large accessory tray. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for mobile whiteboards, or simply click beneath this video.